Okay guys, today we're gonna be fixing two LGs. One is water damage, the other one the screen is cracked. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the inside of the cracked screen to put in the inside of the water damage, because the screen for the water damage still works but the other one does not. Okay, so we're gonna start with the cracked screen one. So let's get started. We're gonna remove the back cover. Then we're gonna have to remove the battery from the phone. We have to remove the screws that's holding the back housing. Go ahead and take those screws out. Okay, now we're done taking those screws out. We're gonna have to remove the back housing. You can use your finger, you can use the pick. Take it out. There you go. Just put it on the side, just like that. Go around it. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna put that aside. So since we're just gonna take out the motherboard, we just have to disconnect the cable. There's no screws holding it down. Just pop the cable out. And to take the motherboard out. Just be gentle with it, don't force it. Go around it, just like you see in the video. Take your time doing it. There you go, just pop it out. Okay, basically that's done. There's no more that we need from this. We're gonna have to take the other one and do the same thing. Since it's the same process, I don't think I should need to show the whole thing. So I can fast forward it and skip the part where it does put the screen back together. Now we're gonna put the good one. The same way you take the other one out. Connect the LCD cable. Put back the housing. Okay, you gotta put this battery before you even put the screws. Make sure it's working. There you go. Turn it on. The password. Okay, there you go. The screen is working. The battery is dying. So this is the back camera. This is the front one. So both of them are working. So we're good. So what we have to do now, turn it off and put the screws back. And we're done with it. You can take the battery out. You don't have to take the battery out to put the screws back. This one.